We are here at Hearts Mall in Jollibee. Here is Nanay. We are here at Jollibee, Thai. Yan o. Yan o, si Lolo o. Diba? Tapos, panning. There is the mall overlooking the ice rink. The ice skating rink. Ayan. It's already Eid here, kaya busy na at festive na rin yung mood. There, wala lang masyadong lumalabas pa. Here are mga kasama namin.
Hello.
Waiting for our order.
Hello.
Naka-video. What can you say about Taif, Kuya?
Taif. Taif. T-A-I-F. Taif.
Nothing? What's your opinion?
My opinion? Baden.
Baden? Baden?
Later.
How would you rate Taif? 1 to 10?
1 to 10, maybe 3.
3 only?
Yes.
It's very nice than Riyadh, isn't it?
No, it's nice in our place.
It's nice in Riyadh? Why?
Because the sun is the center of the solar system. And moving around in the planets.
And it's moving around the earth.
And after 2 minutes, my English will be finished.
Will be gone now.
Alagay yung bata.